What will we see in the future? We will see the green power come around the world. Lely & Coates, a British-funded company that manufactures heat pump products in mainland China. Providing heat pump products with highly efficient, power-saving, British quality and competitive Chinese prices. From product design, product manufacturing to graphic material exports, most of the services in the supply chain will be provided from us, helping you to easily and successfully build the business for power saving. Working together to bring quality to our customers. Lely & Coates, making life leisure.